Hi guys, it's Tamia. Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into this look with some skincare. After I did that, I took my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Espresso and went in and filled my brows in. I love this product because it gives my brows a nice natural look and it's super easy to use and the color matches perfectly. And then I took an eyebrow brush and my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 30 Cafe and carved out my brows. So the inspiration for today's look is actually from a show called Euphoria. I love this show. You guys have probably heard of it. It's Zendaya's new show. Well, one of the characters, Maddie, she's like my spirit animal, and I just love the way she does her makeup, or the people, whoever does her makeup on the show. I just love it. It's so brat, sexy, girly, fun, cute. So I wanted to try out her look where she actually had a wing eyeliner with rhinestones all over it, and I lived. So that's the look that we're going for today. So now you see me take my NYX high definition blush in the color Pink the Town and use that as a base all over my eyelids. And now here we go with the liner. This is actually the easiest way to do liner for me. You see your whole lid, so you can use it as a canvas and kind of go for the shape that you want, really. This is just what works for me. So here you see me getting frustrated because eyeliner is never easy, girl. It's always a challenge. And here I'm like 2 seconds away from just wiping everything off. But I said, no, let's persevere. We're gonna get through this tea. We're gonna get through this. And so that's what I did. When I started at the tail, I kind of found a nice shape that I was going for and then decided to erase all that other crap that I started with before. And I came out with this cute cat eye. And at this point, I'm like, yep, this is it. It's decent. I'm done. And we're on to the next eye. So let's pray this one comes out right. So first I start off with the shape that I'm going for, and then I fill in the rest of my lid. Well, I fill that shape in, then my lid, and then I decide how far towards the inner corner I want to go to, and then I perfect the wing. Me being me, I can never be happy. I want them to be longer. And here is where, no. Here, right there, girl, is where I realized I done messed up. So I just say, you know what, forget all of that. I'm not about to spend all day doing this. And here we go. It looks cute, right? I know. On to the next. I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit and put on some mascara real quick. And then here's the fun part. I'm using my NYX glitter singles in the color Spike to get the look, or you can actually take some rhinestones and some eyelash glue and kind of just line your mascara with it. I wish I had rhinestones, but I don't, so I'm just kind of using what I got, but I still ended up loving this look so much. You're just gonna pack that on over the whole eyeliner. It's okay if you have some black sticking out. It gives it a little bit more character, but this is so bomb. So now I'm going back in with some mascara to deepen the look. Let me know if I nailed it, guys. Don't forget about your bottom lashes. So now I'm going in with my NYX Nude Matte Shadow and Birthday Suit. Aha! You thought I was gonna use a glitter in my inner corner too? No, I wanted to try something different and go with like a bright matte color in my inner corner. First, I just buffed that over my eyelid, and then I went back in the center to really make it pop. If you have any eye boogers, make sure they're out if you're planning on doing inner corner highlight, okay? So for face, of course, we're using our L'Oreal LUMI GLOTION in the color Deep Glow. We're pretending that it's foundation because we don't really like foundation over here. And just blending that out using our fake beauty blender to do the rest of the job. And then using the Too Faced Peach palette for some blush. Yes, sis. So I give you kind of like 2 lip options. You can either go for a pink. Here you see me use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Milan. And then I top that off with their shimmer lip gloss in Salsa. So this one is really cute and sexy. It's pink. You know, the girls love pink. Or you can go for like a shiny nude lip, which is what I'm doing right here with Fenty Beauty's I Quit. And then I'm adding like a sheer lip gloss on top to give me a little bit of a pout and a kissable lip. And that's that. I love this look, guys. Let me know in the comment section below which one would you wear, the pink or the nude brown lip. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!